Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to introduce the layered stenciling technique using the Rose to Flower stencil from Craftreat. With these, you can create realistic roses and also give an illusion of being hand painted from scratch. This stencil set has 3 separate stencils for each layer of the rose petals. So all you need to do is use 3 shades of the same color family. And that's how you build your rose. I'll be also giving you an alternative option for dye inks, so make sure you stick around till the end of this video. Here I am using the masking stencil to build a cluster of leaves around the flower. With this stencils, my leaves won't get inked over the flower. Instead of using the second layer of the leaf stencil, I decided to watercolor the veins of the leaves to give it a more realistic look. This is how my final assembled card looks like. I have also added some matching colored sequins for more interest. In the second example, I built the entire rose and leaf set using watercolors. You too can do the same if you do not have dye inks. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.